need to know how to find the volume of 3D objects.
How to identify 3D objects. To find the volume of 3D objects, we must first identify them. A cube has the same dimensions on all 6 sides. A rectangular prism has 2 rectangular bases that are connected. Number 1 is a cube, number 2 is a rectangular prism, and number 3 is also a rectangular prism. You must also be able to identify the length, width, and height. The height is the measurement from base to top. The width is the measurement or extent of something from side to side. The length is the measurement or extent of something from end to end. To find the volume of a cube, we must know the formula. The formula is V equals S cubed. The V stands for volume and the S stands for side. We must plug in the numbers. Our formula is V equals S cubed. So we would plug in what we know. We know the side is 4 inches long, so we would plug that in. Our formula is now V equals 4 cubed. To find the volume, you must first find 4 cubed. To do that, you would multiply 4 3 times. 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 times 4 equals 64. So 4 cubed is 64. The volume of a cube is 64 inches cubed. To find the volume of a rectangular prism, we must know the formula. The formula is V equals length times width times height. The L stands for length, the W stands for width, and the H stands for height. Another formula used is V equals base times height. The B is the area of the base and the height, and the H is the height. We must plug in what we know. We know the length is 5 feet, we know the width is 1 foot, and we know the height is 4 feet. If we plug those numbers in, we get V equals 5 times 1 times 4. Our formula is V equals 5 times 1 times 4. To solve it, we would first multiply the 5 and 1. 5 times 1 equals 5. Next, we would multiply 5 and 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. The volume of the rectangular prism is 20 feet cubed. So, Agent 009, did that help at all?
Yeah. Okay, so if the side's 2 feet on this cube, then let's see, the volume would be about, 2 times 2 times 2 for 8 feet cubed. Therefore, it would go in the 8-foot cube slot, opening the door. Looks like it was too late.